Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, adaptive cruise control, cooled seats, ventilated seats. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, chrome wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.